Hi friend, this is Tapas and welcome to this module. So here in this video we will learn that another super powerful pattern, that is gameplay pattern. So actually we are mastering the advanced ChatGPT prompt engineering mastery. So what is gameplay pattern? The concept, the idea behind is we will play with artificial any other artificial tool or ChatGPT. So what will happen is, suppose ChatGPT is a person and I am a person. So we will play on certain topic. Might be any kind of topic like digital marketing, might artificial intelligence, might be uh, any other topic like suppose you any other topic like coding, mastering, and all lots of topics are there. I think you got the idea. So we will tell ChatGPT that suppose you are a doctor and I am a patient, and we will play a game on the topic this XYZ, any kind of topic. Or suppose I am creating a product, I am a product owner and you are my customer. So we will play a game on my product. Suppose might be any kind of product, might be physical product, might be digital product, might be in a physical product it might be a protein powder, it might be a beauty product, any kind of product it might be. So we will play a game on this product. So you are a customer, and not my customer, you are a customer and I am the product owner. So we will play a game between on this topic. Suppose another thing, you are a doctor, I am a patient, I am a teacher, you are a student. Suppose I am what I say, I am a gym owner, I am a health coach, and you are a student. So in that way we will play a game on this particular subject. So what will happen is, suppose you are a product owner, you are launching some product, so you don't know what kind of question your customer can ask, what kind of question is there in your in mind of your customer. So you don't know, you need some feedback, you need some suggestion, and accordingly you can create your product, you can modify your product. So you want to know what kind of questions, what kind of expectation are there in your customer's mind. Okay, so in that way, if we create a if we say that we want to play a game on this topic, so it will be more accurate, more perfect answer. Once again, I'm providing another answer, a story. Suppose I'm going to create a product, I'm a product owner, I'm going to create a product that is protein powder. Or okay, let's take it, I'm a protein powder and you are my customer. So I can't understand that what kind of question you can ask to me about that protein powder. So I will tell ChatGPT that hey, we want to play a game on this protein powder, on the topic of protein powder, how this protein powder can help to them. So you act like a customer and I am the product owner. So I will provide the details of my product, you will ask me the question, repeated question you will ask me, until you get satisfaction, until you are convinced with my product, you will ask me the question. So what will happen is, suppose I am telling okay, I have one protein powder that it is for men only, or it is for women only, and the age between 30 to 40 only, and the price is moderate, very reasonable price, it is 2000 rupees or 4000 rupees, like this. So do you want to ask anything? So I am a product owner, I am explaining the product, and you are a customer. ChatGPT is a customer. So ChatGPT will again ask, okay, so what are the ingredients you have in this protein powder? May ask. So as a customer, ChatGPT will think that I am a customer. Okay, so as a customer, what kind of question I can ask? So it will ask the question. So again you can mention that related to this kind of question you can ask, related to benefit, related to features, related to price point, related to side effect. This related to this kind of question you can ask me. You can mention it, if you don't want, you don't mention it, it's also okay. But the main concept is, we want to play a game on that topic. You are my customer and I am the product owner, so I will provide the my product details, and you as a customer, you will ask me the repeated question until you get convinced. So what will happen is you will get a clear idea that what kind of question my targeted audience can ask. You will get a clear idea. Okay, so we will here are a few prompts I have written, and then practically we will see. Here is one prompt that I have written, math quiz game. So we are going to play a math quiz game. Each round I will ask you math related question. So each round I will ask you a question. So the game is between you or me, on a ChatGPT and me. So I will ask you a math related questions and you will try to answer it correctly. So I will ask the question, you will answer it correctly. For each correct answer you will earn 10 points. So we want to see who win the match, you or me. So every time you will ask, you will provide any correct answer, you will get 10 points. The game will continue until you reach a total score of 100 points. So when you will reach 100 points, that means you have won the match, or it is finished. Let's start with the first question. What is 7 times 8? So I am asking ChatGPT. It is a simple prompt only. I am asking ChatGPT, what is the 7 times 8? Okay, so it will multiply and it will provide me the answer. That means ChatGPT will won 10 points. So like that way we can ask any kind of question. Again, it is one ended, one from one side it is coming. So only I will ask ChatGPT and ChatGPT will provide me the answer. So in that way I can ask any complicated question, so it will provide me the answer in a play game pattern. Again, the both side also it may happen, as I said earlier, given the example about the protein powder. Again, the second prompt is historical adventure game. So create a historical adventure game for me set in ancient Egypt. Okay, describe the environment and give me options for actions I can take. Each action should uncover more information about Egyptian culture and history. For each piece of information I uncover, I will earn points. So whenever I will provide it, I will earn points. Start by describing the setting of the adventure and give me my first set of actions to choose from. Again, another example, word building game, any kind of game, any related to any product, any service you can create. As I told earlier, that might be between a student and teacher, between a doctor and patient, between a product owner and a customer, between a representative and the customer, angry customer, and representative of a or any organization, the customer support team. Okay, so in any, you can create your example and you can understand the concept. So word building game, we are going to play a word building game. I will give you a random set of letters. So I am telling ChatGPT, we are going to play a word building game. I will provide you a random alphabets like A, B, C, D, E, F, like this I will provide. And what you will do is you will create words out of it. Might be 3, 4, 5, 6 words you can create out of it. I will give you a random set of letters and you must create as many words as possible. So not 3, 4, 5, as many words as possible. Each valid words earn 5 points. You will earn the 5 points. Okay, each valid words. Then the game ends when you can't create any more words from the given letters. So it will be ended when you are unable to create the letters, unable to create any words. Here are your first letters, A, B, C, D, like this you can write, and it will create like that way. The maximum word it will provide. Again, the example number 4 is environmental awareness game. Create an environmental awareness game for me. Each round you will describe a real world environmental issue. I will have to choose the best action to address it from a list of options you provided. Each correct answer earn me points. The game continues until I reach 50 points. Start by describing the first environmental issue. So here is the same thing, the gameplay pattern we are following. Again, the any kind of on any subject, any topic, you can create this fantasy role playing game. We are going to play a fantasy role playing game. You will describe a fantasy. So the format is pretty simple. Only you need to replace your content, your subject, your topic, on which topic. Suppose there might be like that kind of prompt that, okay, so we are going to play a game on this disease, like any COVID-19, on the topic COVID-19. Okay, so assume that you are a doctor, or I'm a patient. So I will ask you few questions, and you will provide me the perfect answer. Okay, so the opposite kind of thing may happen. You are a customer, you are a patient, and I am a doctor. So what kind of question I will ask question, or you will ask me the question, I will provide the answer, or I will ask the question, you will provide me the answer. So like that way you can get the idea your opponent what kind of question may ask. So based on your knowledge, suppose for your product, for your service. Okay, so that's it. Then suppose any other prompts are there also. We are going to play a game about digital marketing. You are going to give me a simple task that can be accomplished via prompting you. Your task should all have a reasoning and programming component to them. Okay, although they should not require creating such. Okay, anyway, so it's a long prompt. Anyway, now let us practice the thing. Okay, so let me take the first prompt. We are going to play a math quiz game. Okay, and each round I will ask a math related question, and it might be opposite. Every round you will provide me the question instead of me. I will not. This opposite thing also can happen. Each round I will ask you a math related question, and you will try to answer it correctly. Each correct answer you will earn 10 points. The game will continue with until you reach a total score of 100. Let's start with the first question. What is 7? Okay, so I have already asked a question. What is 7 times 8? So it will provide. Let's see whether it provides the correct answer or not. See, here is the answer. 7 times 8 is 56. Ready for the next question. Okay, then again you can ask multiply 566 and 566. Lot of 566. Okay, let's see. Any complex task you can provide. It might be related to math. It might be related to see, 566 multiplied by 563 equals 32356. What is the next question? What is the next question? Again it is asking what is the next question. Okay, so like that way we can ask as many questions as we want. Okay, so instead of providing lots of questions together, what we can do is we can break it down. Okay, and as many questions as we can ask to ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. It will provide me the correct answer. Okay, then again minus difference. What is the difference between 150. Let's see what is the difference between 100 and 50. The difference between 100 and 50 is 50. What is the next question? Okay, so like that way, so every time whenever it will provide some correct answer, it is earning, as I told, as 10 points. So until you get 100 points, already how many points it achieved? 10, 20, 30 points it achieved, right? So now what will happen? Now another 70 points when it will earn. That time it will not respond anything. Okay, it will not respond anything. So I think you got the idea here. Okay, let us take another example and see. I think you got the clear idea, right? You got the pretty clear idea. So let's take another example. Suppose word building. Okay, this is also interesting. Let us take word building. I think it has gone to second page also. Let me take. Okay, so what I'm telling here, we are going to play a word building game. I will give you a random set of letters and you must create as many words as possible. Each valid words you earn 5 points. The game ends when you can't create any more words from the given letters. Here are your letters. Might be any other letter, suppose for example A, B, C also. Okay, so another letter I have added. So let us check how it responds. Sounds fun. Let's see what words are. Okay, see how many words it has created. Sounds fun. Let's see what words we can come up with from it. Okay, I think I have given lots of words. So I will start with few. Star, okay, rat, bar, cat, or car, bat. Okay, it has generated lots of. So I will stop here for now. Let me know if you would like to continue, or if there are any specific letters you want to focus on. Suppose 3 words I want to give, A, B, C. Let's see how it responds. Using just the letters A, B and C, here are words I can come up with: cap, bat, cat, buck. Okay, so these are the things it can create for me. Okay, so I think you got the idea and how we can play with this A. So this is the basic things about the basics about the play pattern games, gameplay pattern, or play pattern, like gameplay pattern. So I think you got the idea. The more complex example I did not give, but I mentioned you what you can do is you can create. Let's play a game on the topic of digital marketing. So you are an agent and I am a customer, or you are an agency owner and I am a customer. So you ask me you ask me what kind of need I have for growing my business. You ask me, I will provide the answer, and again you will ask me about the question. Suppose again another example is, suppose assume that you are a freelancer and I am a product owner, or I am a business owner. So you ask me the question, or what, so that I can get that client. So might be anything. Suppose you want to play with a particular person. So ChatGPT will act like that person. Okay, suppose you are a doctor, suppose I am acting like a doctor, and ChatGPT will act like a patient. I am acting like a teacher, and ChatGPT might be a student, or ChatGPT is a expert chef, and I love to eat. So I'm a normal ordinary customer. I'm a customer. So I can ask okay, I want to eat this. How can I make it in my home? So that kind of question. So we want to play a game on that particular topic. You are this person and I am this person. So it will be, what it will happen is, you will get the idea what is your customer, what your customer is asking for, what is there in mind in your customer. Okay, so what it will help to improve your, for your product, it will help to improve your service, all these things. Okay, so I think you got the idea. Again, I will say that you create more example, take the copy and paste it, and then replace your content. You will get the more, you will get more idea. And when you will practice it, so I encourage you to practice. Definitely you create your own example and then practice, and I'm sure you will get the better prompt. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.